Hey everyone, we're going to go ahead and get started with Rare Beauty's Illuminating Primer. Put a good amount, so about 2 pumps is what I like to do. And then you're going to apply it to the face, all over, and then you're going to rub it in very well. And this goes on so smooth. Next, we're applying the Rare Beauty Foundation in the color 290N in like Nancy. Put a couple dots on the face. I typically put it cheeks, chin, forehead, nose, and then use a damp sponge to blend it all together. Once that's all done, you're going to use the Physicians Formula Sculpting Bronzer. This stuff is really good. This is the Toffee color, Toffee Caramel, I believe. And I put a couple lines. I mean, I'm no perfectionist here. Just put a couple lines where I want it to be a little bronzy. And then just blend it in. I don't do any crazy contouring to my nose. I just like it to be a little more bronzer around there. And I use the Rare Beauty brush. I believe this might be a foundation brush. So I use the brush to kind of just blend and kind of buff it out. I like to go towards the temples and then I blend in the forehead. Now this is a creamy bronzer, so it blends very, very well. All right, next we're going to be doing the Rare Beauty blush. So this is a cream blush that is called Nearly Neutral. So I really, really like this color. I think it goes well with my complexion. Very creamy, very smooth, and does really well with blending into your skin. Here I'm using the Araceli lip liner in the color Chalupa. So this is my first time trying it. I really like it. Goes on smooth. I haven't had any trouble with the tip breaking off like I've had with some other brands. Line my lips, and then I like to apply another color in there. So next I'm going to use the Haus Laboratories or Laboratories. This is the Le Monster Matte Lip Crayon. This is the Lady Gaga. And I believe this color is called Bella. It's like a nice neutral color. And then here you have the Araceli. These are new things I've tried. This is called Azteca Eyes. This is like a duo or like a double eyeshadow. You have like a light color and a darker color. Keep it simple. And the colors within the small compact is Sun and Cacao, I believe is how you say it. So I'm putting the darker color in my crease. The lighter color was all over the lid and up to the brow. So next I have the Kylie Cosmetics or Kylie Jenner. This is the 003 Matte Dark Brown Gel Eyeliner Pencil. Now, this is my first time using this also. The pencil's actually pretty good. The lip kits I've used before, sometimes the tip breaks off or falls into the pencil, which really sucks. But this one seems to be holding up and does pretty well. Next, I have the Araceli or Araceli Beauty. This is the Ojos Perfectos liquid eyeliner in coffee or cafe. Now this is really nice. I am not good at wings. I try. And then the next thing is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color Chocolate. This has been really great. It has like a brush on one end and a pencil on the other that you can twist to a different length and then twist back down so you don't lose that tip of the brow pencil. But this has been nice. I saw someone using this in a video, so I immediately went out and bought it. Easy to use, easy to control. Try to get those brows filled in as best I can. They're definitely very thin towards the front or towards the middle. Next, I'm curling my lashes. There's nothing fancy about this lash curler. I think I just bought it at Walmart or somewhere. My mascara that I'm using is Maybelline, the Falsies Lash Lift Hydrofuge. Now, I really, really like this mascara. It is waterproof. Definitely recommend waterproof. Once I bought it, another one that was not waterproof, and that was like a terrible day. But yeah, again, I didn't make my wings perfect. I plan to put lashes on. It kind of hides some of the flaws there, so not too worried about how the wings turned out. So as I mentioned before, I've been testing out Araceli Beauty. So these are the lashes Carolyn. These are faux mink lashes. And then I use the Kiss lash adhesive. And then I use the lash like tweezers to help me put them on. Man, I could not record this whole thing putting my lashes on. Oh, I look kind of crazy with one, don't I? So my look is finished. This is my go-to look with lashes. Sometimes I don't put lashes on. I don't always feel like doing it. And here's the finished look. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.